welcome back to another day. It is back to work day for me, Monday morning. I'm super excited. Time to get into it. I've only gotten up. I got kind of late-ish, so I haven't given myself enough, I've given myself enough time, but I've just been a little bit slack in getting ready. So I'm about to jump on the bike and go to town. It's gonna be good. I've just had a bit of breakfast, and that's been it. Alright, we are basically underway. I'm just walking out now. Whew, man, I really feel like a good ride today, which is gonna be good. What does that say? I don't even know what this says. Whoop, GPS is acquired. Well, let's start that then. Awesome, let's go. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful, absolutely stunning this morning. My most favourite part about riding into town is going past all the cars, you know, and just sitting there and everyone's in their cars and you're just kind of cruising past, and I'm actually kind of doing something good for the world, and it shows you, like, this is a fairly non-busy section in comparison to like Melbourne or Sydney, but I'm still beating traffic into town. Alright, at work, bike's all finished. I'm gonna go and get started, and I'll see you guys in a few hours. Oh, good afternoon guys, what's happening, what's going on? Welcome back. I've had a great day at work, pretty busy and whatnot, and to finish it off, like, we've got 2 stores and I had to run a product. The manager in there was like, yeah, if you just want to go now, you can run the product across, and it was a 13, actually no, it would have been 13.8 Ks, I think. I got there in like just over 20 minutes. I was pretty happy about that. Nice fast 45 Ks an hour, which I was mainly sitting on, but I then thought I got a flat tire, so I slowed down, and then I didn't have a flat tire and had to deal with traffic, and anyway. Alright, on my way home. Like in that last shot, I mumbled or I talked too quickly, or I'm not really sure, but my heart rate was just really high from that time trial out of the city. So I probably shouldn't have been talking to you guys because I'm not sure what I was saying, but I'm on my way home, and I was just thinking about training programs on the ride home and like the benefit of them, and why getting a program is probably not a bad thing to get. So when we get home, or tonight, I think that's what we're gonna, I think that's what we'll talk about, just because it's kind of really relevant, and I don't know what else I'm doing tonight. I just got home, and I also just got some pretty awesome stuff. What's going on out there? Some pretty cool stuff in the mail, which I'm really excited about. Basically, my sister Gretel, she bought me a camera late last year, and it was meant to be here for my birthday, and unfortunately it was a Kickstarter project that had been backed, and I think a bit of production stuff fell through. I ended up getting my camera in early January at the tour down under, but I didn't really have a chance to be able to use it because it's kind of like a GoPro. This is what it looks like now. So you can see it's kind of like a GoPro, but it's a lot thinner, it's a bit smaller, a bit more compact kind of thing. Thinner and longer, I guess. It's meant to shoot higher kind of quality video, I guess. So she gave me it, which is right here, and I've been meaning to get out and use it, but I attempted once to use it in Adelaide and it fell off my bike. So today, a mount arrived from Barnacle, which goes onto the GoPro mount, and then the flat mount underneath is where the Velcro will stick to. Now, unfortunately, this is just really cheap Velcro, and I don't really kind of trust it very much. So I'm gonna go down to Bunnings Warehouse and get another screw to be able to hold that on, and I'm gonna get some more Velcro to hold that on, and we're gonna test that out tomorrow. How's that sound? Sounds good to me. All right, let's go. I don't think you can classify yourself as being Australian if you don't like Bunnings Warehouse, and on a Monday night they're open till 9 o'clock. I'm pretty sure every Australian is in love with Bunnings Warehouse, even if they're not a tradie. Alright, I've got some mounts and stuff. I need some screws and Velcro, so let's just jump in and grab that. Well, I've just managed to grab a bunch of different screws for a mount. And I got some brand new Velcro, so that should get me through. I was talking to a guy and I just didn't feel comfortable vlogging that all, but that's alright, we can get home now. Look at this, running straight in, grabbing dinner. That actually looks really good. So I'm gonna go sit down with Mum and eat this. I'm gonna go work on this bike stuff, talk about some training stuff, and I think it's gonna be a pretty good night. Quick dinner stop. Now I'm gonna grab the that's the mount for the Barnacle and the Barnacle itself. The plan now is to go out and try and mount these on. I fixed up the GoPro bracket thing, so that mount there for the Barnacle can go on. Got a few beats playing and just chilling right out. These were the two mounts that I used to have on my bike, the Garmin one and the GoPro one. But I've fixed up this one, which is a Garmin and GoPro built in. And I've got the Barnacle adapted mount and the Barnacle attached right now. I'm sorry the lighting's really not great and it's not focusing very well either. Anyway, I think we get the point. That's on there, it's ready to go. The Velcro seems so much stronger than that Coles brand piece of rubbish, which is really good. That like probably clicked in. It's got a weight rating of like 5 kilos and that camera is like 200 grams max, so it should be sweet with that. I'm gonna go and charge it up because I want to use it tomorrow. Guys, check this out. So I needed to charge the Barnacle, right? But the Velcro stuff is just way too strong that I couldn't take it off that mount. So I had to take the whole mount off, the whole bracket thing, just so I could charge it. Well, I can't be disappointed because the whole thing is so it doesn't fall off my bike, but like, that actually makes me happy, I can't complain. I've got a confession to make. When did it get to midnight? Guys, I've been flat out I don't even know what's happening right now. Like, I had that much stuff to do and then I've got like this chunk of the day where work is, and I'm just trying to catch up on the vlogs, and I'm just a little bit overwhelmed with things at the moment, and it's just kind of driving me insane. And I don't know. Alright guys, I'm just going to catch this tomorrow. This is the end of the vlog. I'm just done for today. Can't do it anymore. Alright guys, don't forget, if you want to go big, dream big.